Hi friends, this is Dattatreya from Smileysatwik YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn a new trick in our mobile. My mobile is nothing but Redmi Note 5 Pro. So in this mobile, I am going to show you how to remove a background of a picture. Okay, so just I am going to open Google and I am going to type remove. Okay, remove bz also it will come. So you should type remove.bz, open that link. After opening, it will ask you to upload the image. Click on upload image and it will show my my pictures. In one of my picture, I am going to take one of my picture, nothing but one picture I am going to take. In that picture, now I am going to insert that picture. It will upload. After uploading, it will remove the background automatically. See friends, now the background is automatically removed. See how neatly it came. In this way you can download any background. You can remove any background of a picture, and after doing such this type of things, you should download, or you should if you want to download high resolution, you should click on high resolution. Before clicking on high resolution, you should know one thing, that if you download high resolution setting, you should pay some money to this app. Okay now if you want normally, you should tap download button. I tap download button, so it is going to download. I am going to check it in my I am going to check it in my browser. Okay, now I am keeping a browser Chrome. You can also open it in Chrome. After opening, I am going to see in downloads, so you will be able to see my picture. It is downloaded. So in this way you can remove any background of a picture. And thank you, have a nice day for watching till end. Okay friends.